Every organization has a story to tell. Public relations professionals are the folks who get to tell it. Now, the photo and bio on the right is of my colleague, Lynn Kirkpatrick, Director of Communication for the College of Humanities and Social Sciences at NC State. Now, when I first met her, she described her job as the storyteller for the college. And that's really what she is. Now, part of the job for Lauren and other public relations staff and the directors of communications like her is to get her message out. Now, if you read under the responsibilities heading, Lauren is responsible for sharing humanities and social science news and stories with alumni and friends of the college. Her #1 job is to get the message out. Another task is encouraging media coverage. Lauren, quote, publishes the college's magazine, e-newsletter, and other print and electronic publications. She writes her own version of the story and uses it to encourage others to print the news in their publications. And finally, Lauren projects the positive image of her college, as her responsibilities read. She also gathers and disseminates news and information for and about our outstanding faculty, staff, students, and alumni, using any available means. The public relations process is 4 steps that follow the acronym RACE, R-A-C-E. First, just like when beginning to write a journalism article, is research. What's your goal? What story do you want to tell? Next is to develop your action plan. How are you going to tell your story? Are you going to send out a news release, hold a news conference or an event, create a new brochure? Think about how you will craft your message and how you'll eventually evaluate the success of your campaign. Next is communicate. This is the actual execution of your public relations strategy. And finally, the evaluation phase, where you monitor the results of that strategy. How many news outlets picked up the story? And what type of coverage did they provide? Did sales or web traffic increase in the days following the campaign? What worked? What didn't? And how can you do better next time? With the RACE process in mind, here are some typical tasks for a public relations professional. First is writing news releases. This is where a background in journalism comes in very handy for a PR person. Next is organizing news conferences. If the news is big enough to be shared, you might want to have a news conference for it. Now, a not so fun part of PR is coordinating crisis communication. When your CEO is arrested for money laundering or your product is recalled, you need to control the damage. Your job is also to craft the organization's public image. And finally, plan the launch of new products and services. PR folks have a few other job responsibilities as well. One could be producing newsletters and media for employees. This is internal public relations because it happens inside the company. Sponsoring tours, exhibits, and special events like gallery openings and receptions. Sometimes PR people attend conferences and deliver speeches. And finally, the PR head often acts as the organization's official spokesperson for all media requests.